Hello, and welcome to Storytime with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is John's Camping Adventures. We'll be reading our story while using our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects to go along with the story. If you have yours, why don't you go ahead and get them out and we'll get started. John's Camping Adventures. I love to go camping with family and friends. We have such a good time. We hope it never ends. When we're ready to go with our trailer in tow, I just can't wait to say, "Come on, ready, set, go!" Well, my mom and dad will surprise us, we know. We can never quite guess where on earth we'll go. I don't care if we drive, if we walk, or we run, because taking a trip is always so much fun. On the days we go camping, I wear my green shirt, and my mom says it's fine when I play in the dirt. I go out with my friend and ride around the track. We continue to play till they say, "Hit the sack." I just love climbing trees in the campsite nearby as I dream of adventures I'm hoping we'll try. I collect cool things like leaves, sticks, and rocks that I put in a box with a key so it locks. I enjoy going fishing. My dad baits my hook. When I catch my first fish, I say, "Mom, take a look." Wow, my sister looks happy. Her smile's so bright. I give her some winks, 'cause the campsite's all right. While we sit by the campfire and see every star, we talk about our trips and our travels so far. Our vacation is ending. I don't want to go. We drive home the next day with our trailer in tow. Thank you so much for joining me as we were reading John's Camping Adventures. Do you like to go camping? I sure do. Whether it's in a tent or in a camper, it's always fun to get outside in nature, under the stars at night, or in the woods going on an adventure hike during the day. I loved using all of our fun adventure trinkets on each of the pages of this book. You can go on to speechandsmile.com to find your own Say and Play Story Kit mini objects. You can find this kit that goes along with John's Camping Adventures, as well as John's Adventures at Yellowstone Park. If you enjoyed this video, why don't you go ahead and give it a like? And you can also subscribe to our channel so you can see all the new videos that we'll be sharing reading along to different stories. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.